establish your side control. I try to get a high side control. You guys will be more on this side, and it'll make more sense in a second. Reason also for me to stay on a high side control is because if I'm lower, he could use his legs to attack me, or if I'm trying to work at something, he could bump me and throw off my rhythm. So what I like to do, because I can't maneuver my body, I like to grab behind the neck and the shoulder, and I pull my body up. I can adjust my legs, but when I come up higher, it allows me to lay on his ribs more, put more pressure here and away from his bump. Next, I can establish this to take control of the initial squirm. So go ahead and move around, and it's just basically bringing this shoulder off the ground and up into me. What I want to do next is bring this over and put his ear to his shoulder. He can't move or do anything until he takes his ear off, but that buys me time to pull this lapel out. When I get deep in the lapel, I grab the armpit to start with, because the reason is I come back under and grab the armpit. The reason is because I have control of his whole body when I'm really close to his armpit. Then I can base off of this hand and I bring him up. Reason I'm bringing him up is to bring his shoulder off the ground. If I put this pressure down, it keeps his arm from coming out until I want it out. I control this. I take care of any initial squirms that he made from that adjustment. Then I put this hand palm, but it's gonna go like a snake between his ear and his shoulder, and it's palm to his hand. The reason is when I let up on this shoulder, he's gonna shoot that arm through to try to escape. But I'm gonna do the same thing he's doing to me, but the opposite way. So I go here and I let him out. Right here, I can cup the back of the head, and I try to put my weight back, and I just lean back. When I lean back, this hand comes and feeds that lapel. Then I can either go for this, Ezekiel, or I can feed the lapel to that hand and finish him here. And we haven't named it, but we figured it out today. So it's brand new, we're still working on it, and we'll give you some updates in the future.